In this video I'm going to show you how to make a soft reset of your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Soft reset means that I just reboot my device without losing any data, and now let me show you how you can simply do that. So all you have to do to soft reset your iPhone is to press volume up, then volume down, and then hold power button and see what happened. I press volume up, volume down, and now I hold down power button and I keep holding it down until my device will go into reboot mode, and I still keep holding it down, and I wait until Apple logo is appeared. Now I can release my finger and my device is actually being rebooted. I have to wait for about 10 maybe 15 seconds and then I can use my device again. You can be sure that soft reset doesn't delete any of your data, it just wipes the memory, and after soft reset you can use your device as you normally do. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.